Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Design of a Unified Power Controller for Variable Speed Fixed Pitch Wind Energy Conversion System. Let us see about abstract of our product. Wind energy is currently the fastest growing energy source in the world, with a concurrent growth in demand for the expertise of engineers and researchers in the wind energy field. There are still many unsolved challenges in expanding wind power, and these are numerous problems of interest to systems and control researchers. The new control system will deliver maximum electric power to a customer with lightweight, high efficiency and high reliability without mechanical sensor. A turbine directly driven permanent magnet synchronous generator is considered for the proposed small wind generation system. In this proposed system, the new control system has been developed, analyzed and verified by simulation studies. The modified HCS method is activated to search for the maximum power point first, which is followed by the PSF method. Once one MPP is found, by using this controller, not only the prior knowledge of the aerodynamic characteristics of turbine plates is avoided, but also low torque power ripple is achieved. For the latter, a new auxiliary passive stall control method is proposed. It temporarily increases the output power to force the turbine to operate it deep stall engine region, thus to decrease the captured power of the turbine. In this proposed implementation is designed for 10 kilowatt wind energy conversion system. Next we see about flow diagram of our product. This is our flow diagram. Here the source is a wind turbine. In this wind turbine is converted the wind energy into electrical energy through the PMSG. PMSG means permanent magnet synchronous generator. That output of electrical energy is fed into diode rectifier. Here the AC voltage is converted into DC, and also the converted DC voltage is further into boosted using a boost converter. Here we using DC to DC boost converter, and finally the output of the boost converter is fed into DC bus. DC bus means the DC load is connected through this bus, and also this boost converter and proposed controller is used to generate the PWM generation. Here we using two switches in the boost converter, so PWM generator is used to generate the two kind of pulses for the required IGBT gate switches, and the proposed controller means the MPPT technique is used, getting from the output of diode rectifier voltage and current. That means wheeling and idling is fed into the MPPT technique. In the MPPT technique, the various conditions is here. Due to that condition, the duty cycle is generated in the proposed controller. After that duty cycle is fed into PWM generator. In the PWM generator, we given the switching frequency and also carrier frequency and also modulation index. Depend on those things, the PWM signal will be generated, and generated PWM signal is fed into boost converter using IGBT switches gates. Finally, the output of boost converter is fed into DC load through a DC bus. This is the working principle, depends on this flow diagram. So the wind energy is totally converted into electrical energy in two kind of form. One is AC supply, another one DC, using those converter types, rectifier and converter. Next we see about running process of our product. In this proposed implementation is done in MATLAB Simulink environment. First open the MATLAB window. After opening that, we create a new model file. After creating the new model file, arranging the elements from the library process as per the base paper circuit. After arranging that elements as per the base paper circuit, we click the run symbol. Before that, here the wind turbine is converted wind energy into electrical energy. After that, that converted AC supply is fed into diode rectifier. Here that AC supply is converted into DC, so that DC voltage is further boosted using of DC to DC boost converter, and the output is fed into DC bus. Here DC bus is fed into the various DC loads, and also the PWM generator is controlled by the proposed controller. Here the MPPT technique is used, that voltage link and current link is fed into MPPT technique, and the various conditions that satisfied. After that, duty cycle will generated duty cycle is fed into the PWM generator. Here that PWM generator generating the PWM signals and fed into the IGBT switches. First one, the output of wind turbine output waveform. Here the DC link voltage, and the next one is the speed, and next one real power, and next one reactive power in per unit, and the next one is the pitch in the unit of degree, and next one mechanical torque, and next one electromechanical torque values in per unit, and next one turbine speed, and the next one is the ABC grid converter output and voltage, and next one is the rotor side current, and next one is the stator side current, and next one is the rotor side voltage, and next one is the stator side voltage waveforms. And this is the output of wind turbine output, and that AC output voltage and current fed into diode rectifier. Here that is converted into DC. The converted DC link current is shown here, and next one is the DC link voltage, and next one is the generating PWM pulses from the PWM generator, and this is the output current waveform. The voltage is constant using of DC to DC boost converter, and next one is the output DC voltage. This is getting from the DC bus voltage. So compared to the previous DC link voltage and the output of DC bus voltage, the DC bus voltage is constant, takes several times using of the passive elements. So finally that voltage will be constant. The variable DC voltage is converted into fixed DC voltage, and also it is boosted. So thank you for watching this video.